Welcome to Tutorial Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can collect mission rewards in the Sonic Dash game. To collect the rewards for the missions you perform when playing the game, on the main screen, as you can see, is this gift box. If there is any number next to it, you can tap on it and then collect them. Right here, just tap on collect until there's no more left to collect. Then you can back off and all the rewards you have got will show up right here. As you can see, if you unlocked any characters, it's going to show them to you. And of course, through the rewards you get also cards, so you can see in here all the characters popping up again and all of the available upgrades by the green bars. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.